This is the speed picker, and for simple contraption, it's got a little DC 6-volt motor, and just made a frame out of aluminum bracket and some plywood, a little hinge, and then the hinge goes back and forth like this. The pick is bolted to this, the hinge, and then I've got this rod connecting the gear with the hinged pick, so it goes back and forth like that. And then here's the speed controller, and I plug it into any voltage, any 12-volt voltage supply will do. This is 12-volt battery. Hold it like this, and then just turn on the... Doesn't go real fast. This is top speed here. I think there's probably a better way to do it. A better way to do it would be just to make the pick go back and forth instead of turning. But I'm not sure yet, and I'm not sure how to do that. You'd have to build some kind of mechanical system to do that.